Okay, I think I've been going a little bit too fast during these videos, so I'm going to slow down and we're going to build a rod design. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to go, and you see here, I've got the template file. I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to go to templates. And that's not the one we want. Let's go back here to, let's go overlays. What we're going to do, we're going to open this up with paint. So you go down to open, paint, that's going to open. And we're going to downsize that right now. We're going to go up here, and we're going to go back. Then we're going to go to color charts. And I'm going to open up this Madeira color chart. Once again, right click, open, paint. Now we're going to downsize that. And then we're going to go get a work palette. Right click, open, paint. And this is what a work palette looks like. You got a work area, you place components here, and then you got all your colors on the right hand side. Alright, now we're going to downsize that. We're going to go back. We're going to go to shape templates right here. Now we're going to go open up angle template number 3 right here. Right click, open, paint, and we're going to downsize that. Now we've got everything open that we want to work with. So we've got our little paint palette down here at the bottom icon, down at the bottom of the screen. And you see when I got all 4 of them right there. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to open this one up. We're going to go up here to File, and we're going to save this. And right here, which mine's going to the studio, you see all your files. I've already made a design folder right there. And I'm going to put everything that I do in that design folder. And as you see, I've already got 2 of them there. But we're not going to use those. What we're going to do, we're going to call this Custom Rod Design. And we're just going to make, it always helps me to put the date with something. That way I know when I done it. So we're going to go 06/11 2015. And we're just going to make this 1. Just put a 1 after it. And this is a color. This is a work palette. So then we're going to save that. And it's always going to tell you that the transparency is going to, and then you always, go over here, hit your select tool, go down and make it a transparent. So this is our work palette. Alright, we've got that one saved. Now we're going to go down right here. We're going to open up this one. File, save. You always want to save everything you open, because that way you won't be working on top of your templates, and next thing you know, all your templates are gone. And we're going to save this one. I don't know if I did a save as. I got to go back and look. All right, save as. Go back here, open up your design folder, and we're going to make this. It's that one right there, but we're just using that so we ain't got to type it out. and custom rod design color template, and we'll put the 1 after that. Save it. Okay. Now we're going to downsize that, and we're going to open up our. This is a rod grip. We're going to use that template. That overlay. We're going to copy it. We're going to open this up. We've got to go up here and hit our select tool right up here where you always got to get your select tool. Right click, paste. Now we want to make it transparent. So we go hit our transparency. Make sure it's transparent. Put it over there. Now I believe for this design I'm going to use this beetle green, this 1652 beetle green. Copy, paste, and you see it's not long enough, so we're going to have to paste it again. Make sure we got plenty there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to take this and we're going to go over the top of it. We're going to go up here and get our paint tool. We're going to go here and we're going to right click. And it makes all that go away. Then we're going to get our select tool right here. We're going to grab that. And we're going to copy. We're going to open up our workspace. We're going to hit our select tool. And we're going to paste it right here. There we go. Now we're going to open up our shapes template that we opened. And if you notice, there's 6 colors here. Well, for this particular design, I hit the select tool, by the way. You always have to open up the select tool when you want to highlight something. And we're going to copy. We're going to go down here. We're going to bring our workspace back up. And and you notice I can do whatever I want to with that. This right here is Pearl. Right over here, you'll see Pearl. I'm going to go over here and grab this, and I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to paste. We're just sitting here, and I'm basically just freewheeling this. Now let's say that that stripe's way too big. Go back. At the top of that, you'll see that there's a little overlay up here at the top of the page. Copy. Oh, I don't want those. Those are together. You're better off grabbing these 2. And I did that on purpose to show you something. We're going to go back to our work area. Oh, excuse me. We're going to bring that down here, and we're going to do some playing around. What you can do is copy that thread, bring it right over here. What you can do is copy, paste, bring that right there, come over here, copy, paste. Now I can sit here and make that as whatever size I want to make it. I want a real thin line. So now we got that. We're going to go up and get our paint right up here. We're going to get our paint. We're going to right click. Now we just made a thin line there that we can use. And I like that more better. What we can do is go right there. Well, no, see, you don't ever want to use that. Leave it over here on the side. That's why I've got this place right here where we can put stuff. I'm putting it in my work area. See, I shouldn't do that. See, once again, I did that on purpose to show you that you shouldn't do things. Well, now, I'm going to copy and paste that right there, and I'm going to put it right here. And let's say that I wanted 2 or 3 of those. Well, there's no sense putting them on our design yet. So let's move it off our design, copy, paste, And let's do this. Let's put 3 of those right side by side. And we're going to line them up just like that. And then we're going to copy, paste. Now we're going to put that right there over our design. Well, we've still got it highlighted. I'm going to copy and paste. And then I'm going to paste. And this is where you have to practice and get used to spacing these. But it would be no different than if you was doing it on your rod, building the rod with thread, because you have to have, now some people can mark this out and get it perfect. Me, for these demonstrations, I'm not going to do that. I mean, you could do it just like you was going to do a rod. Use your measuring tool, set here, and measure it out exactly and get exactly what you want. Now, see, now I've come to a point when this is going to come around, and well, here it's not going to show up. Here it may show up when you turn the rod, because these are going to end somewhere. So what I may do is I'll go grab this, just a part of this one down here, copy, paste, and I bring that right up here, and let's see what the spacing would be like. Yeah, so not really. I really don't like the way that's coming out. It's killing my design there. So we're just going to cut that. We're going to take this and we're going to move it in, because I really don't want that much space. Now you got 2 ways of doing this now. And you notice I put something in my work area. That's a no-no. You can cut it with your select tool, or you can go get the overlay for this and put over it. But I'm just going to cut it. Alright, now what I want is I want a large band. So I just copied and pasted the large band. And then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to cut me a small band. You see I'm over out of here. Copy, paste, and I'm going to put me a small band right there. And I'm going to get it right at the edge of that thread. Just like that. Now, at the other end, I'm going to copy, paste, and see that line there is too wide for me. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy, paste. I'm going to put that one right here because I'm going to use that one band. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this band in half. And now you notice it's going to white out on you if you just try to drag it. You can't do that. You got to copy and paste. Copy, paste. And I'm going to bring that in here. Put it right next to that thread. I'm going to paste. I'm going to bring it right here by that thread right there. And I'm going to grab this one here. Copy, paste. That's my larger band. And what I'm going to do is put that right there and split the difference on that thread. I'm going to cut these, get them out of my way. Cut. Cut. Now I'm going to put that right up here. Then we're going to go back to our files. We're going to go back to overlays. Now I want to do a butt. So right here it says butt overlay.